So one of the things that you can do using VLC Media Player is go ahead and extract out audio file from video file as well. So to do that, let me just go around over here, bring in this video file right here. And if I were to go ahead and play this, you'll hear the audio. And over here, you'll hear the audio and the video right here together. So now what you can actually do is you can go ahead and extract out the audio of it by going into media and by going into convert and save. Once you do that, you can click on add and then select out, let's say, a video file right here, just like this. So this same video file I just selected so that I can convert it out right here. So now I can click on convert and save, and over here I need to choose convert, and then over here you need to go ahead and choose the profile and select the audio profile. In my case, I'm going to select MP3, let's say for example, and click on browse. So over here in desktop, let me just go ahead and save it out as MP3 file. Click on OK right here, and then click on start right here. And it starts converting right there, just like this. So now over here on my desktop, I got another file with just the audio. So if I were to go ahead and bring that in and play this out, and then once you make the changes, that's the audio file only, as you can see right here. And that is how you can go ahead and extract out audio from video in VLC Media Player. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.